Welcome to our latest video on creating a beautiful living room that perfectly blends style and comfort. Today, we'll take you through some fantastic design ideas, tips, and trends that will help you transform your living space into a stunning and inviting haven. Number 1. Color palette. The foundation of any beautiful living room is its color palette. Opt for a harmonious blend of neutral tones such as whites, beiges, and grays, which can make the room feel spacious and calm. To add depth and character, incorporate accent colors through accessories like cushions, rugs, and artwork. Popular accent colors this year include deep blues, emerald greens, and rich burgundies, which can create a luxurious and sophisticated ambience. Number 2. Furniture selection. Choosing the right furniture is crucial in defining the look and feel of your living room. Start with a comfortable and stylish sofa as the focal point. Consider a sectional sofa for larger spaces or a sleek, mid-century modern sofa for a more contemporary look. Pair your sofa with accent chairs that complement the overall theme, ensuring they are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Number 3. Lighting. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood of your living room. Incorporate a mix of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a well-lit and inviting space. A beautiful chandelier or pendant light can serve as a statement piece, while floor lamps and table lamps add warmth and coziness. Don't forget to take advantage of natural light by keeping window treatments light and airy, allowing sunlight to flood the room during the day. Number 4. Accessories and decor. Accessories and decor items are the finishing touches that bring personality and style to your living room. Consider adding a mix of textures through throw pillows, blankets, and rugs to create a layered and inviting look. Wall art, whether it's a gallery wall or a single statement piece, can add visual interest and reflect your personal taste. Incorporate greenery with indoor plants to bring life and freshness to the space. Number 5. Storage solutions. A beautiful living room is also a clutter-free living room. Invest in stylish storage solutions such as built-in shelves, storage ottomans, and chic baskets to keep your space organized and tidy. This not only enhances the room's aesthetics, but also makes it a more functional and enjoyable space to relax and entertain. Number 6. Modern technology integration. Incorporate modern technologies seamlessly into your living room design. A sleek TV unit or a built-in entertainment center can house your television and other electronic devices without compromising the room style. Consider smart home devices like automated lighting, smart speakers, and temperature controls to enhance convenience and comfort. Number 7. Personal touches. Finally, don't forget to add personal touches that make your living room uniquely yours. Family photos, travel souvenirs, and cherished heirlooms can add warmth and character to the space, making it truly feel like home. We hope these ideas inspire you to create a beautiful living room that reflects your style and provides a welcoming space for family and friends. Stay tuned for more home design tips and trends, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more content.